Have you ever wondered how your brain controls everything you do? Thinking, moving, feeling, even remembering your past? The secret lies in tiny but powerful cells called neurons. Today, let's understand what neurons are, how they work, and why they're so important for our daily life. What neurons are? Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system. Think of them as the body's information messengers. Just like wires carry electricity in a circuit, neurons carry electrical and chemical signals throughout your body. There are about 86 billion neurons in the human brain, each forming thousands of connections. That's more than the stars you can see in the night sky. Structure of a neuron. Every neuron has three main parts. 1. Cell body, or soma. This is like the control center containing the nucleus and keeping the cell alive. 2. Dendrites. These are branch-like structures that receive signals from other neurons. Imagine them as the ears of the neuron. 3. Axon. A long tail-like part that sends signals away from the neuron to the next one, almost like the neuron's mouth. At the end of the axon, there are tiny gaps called synapses, where the electrical message is converted into a chemical signal called neurotransmitters. These chemicals then jump across the gap and continue the signal in the next neuron. Types of neurons. Not all neurons are the same. There are three major types. Sensory neurons, they carry information from your senses. For example, when you touch a hot cup, sensory neurons send a warning to your brain. Motor neurons, they carry signals from your brain to your muscles. That's how you pull your hand back from the hot cup. Interneurons, these act like middlemen, connecting sensory and motor neurons, and allowing complex thinking and reflexes. Why neurons matter. Neurons are behind every thought you have, every memory you keep, every movement you make, and even your emotions. When neurons misfire or die, it can cause problems like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, or depression. That's why scientists are always studying neurons to better understand the brain and cure such conditions. So, neurons may be small, but they're mighty. They're the reason you can watch this video, understand my words, and even decide to learn more about the brain. The more we understand neurons, the closer we get to unlocking the mysteries of the human mind. This content is created for educational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional for medical concerns.